Hi, welcome to Diva India. Today we are going to install Apache server in Linux. So the Apache HTTP server was launched in 1995 and it has been the most popular web servers on the internet since April 1996. Apache is a popular open source web server. It is very easy to install and manage configurations. How to install Apache server in Linux? It is very secure web server and easy to control hardening parameters, and it handles static content and easy to integrate any of the application servers with the help of additional modules. We can easily Apache if we want to integrate any application servers. With the help of two modules, we can integrate that any of the application servers. One is modjk and one is a proxy pass. If we use modjk, then in your application servers, you have to enable AGP protocols. And if we use proxy pass, so no need to enable anything on your application servers because proxy pass use HTTP port. So today we are going to install Apache. So let me log in my channel. Log in my servers. If you like my video, just like and subscribe my channels, hitting the bell button. Change my font size so you can easily visible the command and all. So now I just log in my servers. So here I am using CentOS Linux 7.4. My IP is like 192.168.36.134. So here Apache installations we can do in two ways. One for yum install, another is the source code. So today we are going to install Apache with the help of yum command. So before that, let me check if my servers have installed Apache or not. So this is a very powerful command, rpm-qa pipecrape -i. -i used for case sensitive. So any of the packages, if you want to check in your servers, so you have to run rpm-qa pipecrape -i, then package name that you want to check. So let me check which package is installed. Let me check sh or ssh. So see, now the ssh package is installed. Okay, so like that you have to check any of the packages which is installed in your servers. So let me install yum install httpd. Once we run this command, just trying to search the Apache package. So now see, we are trying to install Apache 64 with 2.4.6.99 subversions. Asking to download. Address yes. Now see, the installation is completed. So again, let me check rpm-qa pipecrep-i httpd. So now see, the main package is installed httpd. Okay, let me check the versions. So see, you want to check the versions of your web server, which version is installed. So this is a command httpd-v. If you want to see a details, so use capital V. So once you run this, showing like Apache 2.4. CentOS, this is a build, server build, May 30, 2023, APRs 1.4, 1.4, and default is configured. Now let's see, let me start my servers. http-k start. Okay, so let me check. Same command we have to use, ps-cf pipecrep httpd. So now see that my processes is running. So let me check the configurations file. So once you install Apache, the Apache home directory is etc httpd. Let me go in the main configuration files. So configuration file is httpd. So yes, it is included conf.d. If we create any files in the conf directory, it is automatic get loaded. Conf.d. So let's see the which port is Apache is running. By default is the 80 port of Apache Web Server. Let me grab it. Port is running. Let me try IVK httpd :/local host. Now see, the page is coming, but it's showing forbidden. No issue. So let me check the logs. In the log directory, you will see the access log. Now see, we are able to see the logs. Let me verify. I have it 1759. Here is captured. So this is like basic things of Apache installations. This is very quickly and very easy to web page and all. Also, if you want to check how many modules HTTPD loaded, so you have to run httpd-n. So see list of modules and let me count. So currently 83 module is loaded. If you want to check a syntax of the Apache, whether your configuration is correct or not, you have to use httpd-t. If you want to check bhost, so you have to run http-s. So that's the installations of Apache and some basic things that you check after installations your Apache service, and keep check basic things like basic command and logs. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.